And now a really simple trick which I'm going to recommend you to use in every type of these beats. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome dancehall beat using a really awesome guitar melody. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and participate in my contest. So I'm giving away 5 sample packs, so make sure to check it out. The link is in the description. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first I'm going to start off with the piano melody. So I'm using the piano V2 from Arturia, and I'm using the American Jazz Studio preset. So first I'm going to set the tempo to 100 and just start off by just drawing in some root notes. So just turn this one down. So we're going to use this E, this B. That's really awesome. And now a really simple trick which I'm going to recommend you to use in every type of these beats. Strumize your melodies or chord progressions. So press Alt S like this. And just a little bit. So like this. And after that, just play around with the velocity of the notes. So in the end, it will sound like this. I've added some notes right here. And right now I'm going to add the guitar melody on top of this one. So I'm using the Ample Guitar L, and I'm using the Elegant Westerly preset. So I'm just going to copy the chord progression into this one and just add some more notes. So I'm going to follow the chord progression. So add some really short notes right here. And just do the same with this one. And I think I'm going to turn this one down like this. So I've played around with the velocity of the notes and it sounds like this. So I think I'm going to add something like a vocal chop from Arcade. So in this case, set the key to C sharp minor. So I think I'm going to use this one and just add a lot of reverb. So cut at the low frequencies. Cut at the low frequencies from the reverb. And we're going to do the same for the guitar. So just cut at the low frequencies with this equalizer. And then just also add some reverb. I'm going to use the room one. So it should be something like this. And I'm also going to reduce this one. And right now I'm going to add a bass line. So this is my bass preset from Serum. So just 2 saw waves and cut out all the high frequencies, and it sounds like this. And just a bass line like this goes really well together with the dancehall beats. And just create some little stops in between the notes. Add some more bounce when adding all the drums. So I think this is a really cool bass line. And right now we're going to add some drums. So I'm using this clap from my sample pack. And I'm using this kick also from my sample pack, this one. And we're going to use this hi-hat, just keep it really simple. And just to keep it really simple, we're gonna create just a really simple pattern. So this one. Turn down the volume of some elements. And right now I'm going to add the kick. So right now just following the pattern of the clap. So it could be something like this. Just really simple, but just really bouncy. And I think add some more swing, or add some swing. So I'm going to add 25%. And right now we're going to add the high pattern, which is really crucial, and add some bounce to the beat. And we're just going to add a roll right here. So select this one and then select just a half step like this. And just turn it up like this. So just play around with the velocity. Just duplicate this one. So I've just created this pattern. Which I think is really awesome. So I'm going to duplicate this one. And this one really adds a bounce to this beat. Maybe turn down the volume a little bit. And right now we could create a really simple arrangement. So I think the arrangement could look something like this. And I think the vocal really adds some ambience to this beat. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.